this two projects to work in this final project regarding to the static website and one application in Java to apply some configuration. In the first case, I start working in my startup website. In this case, I put in the base files with empty configuration in the master branch and create a feature branch with the apply the new change for the configuration in this case. Also, I have been working with configuration regarding to the Jenkins files for the, in this case for the, and this is regarding for the infra, but okay. Also, I have been working regarding to the configure the Jenkins using the Docker image in this case. Okay. I configure the Jenkins file inside the folder regarding to the CI and CD and the infrastructure in this case, and I apply the configuration all in the both repo. In this case, for the static website, I put on the let me looking for the files configuration for the site. Let me put in the feature regarding to the Ansible configuration for the. I put inside this for the configuring the web server and clone the project inside the folder. Also, I configure inside this CI configuration those stage for the pipeline regarding the cloning and Sonar test. I only apply Sonar test, and I link it with the Sonar test with the Sonar Cloud. In my case, configure one application, the Hello World in Java. The compile stage test with the Maven test. In this case, is the Maven application, and build the image and deploy the image to the Docker Hub. In this case, I just pushing the image to the Docker Hub from the Jenkins. I don't reach the total integration regarding to. I have some problems with the times and work, but I try to configure my using the merge request to build the image. In this case, I will try to apply some new change in this configuration to the one merge request to trigger the pipeline. We have the change for this case for the Java application branch. In this case, update the flag, create a merge request, assigned to me. And not late more. In this case, I put different in the master. In this case, is to develop and save change. Okay, and we merge. In this case, the pipeline for the CI it will be triggered. It is integrated with the Terraform and Ansible configuration. In this case, I configure another job regarding this configuration is called website IAC that have the basic step in Terraform regarding to init, validate, planning, apply, and post-configuration. In this case, post-configuration is regarding to the Ansible. I trigger this pipeline for using workspace in Terraform, and when I apply the configuration regarding it will be create the basic server to configure the Apache in this case, and deploy the website from the start. In this step, I put some trigger to configure or validate the change. I see the new change that we have 7 resources to add. In this case, it's regarding to networking and EC2 configuration and security groups. When we apply the change, the network configuration and the EC2 configuration, and use the provisioners to configure the user data and deploy the playbook inside the instance. You see the static web page for my startup. This is a mini market or shop. Yeah. Another thing that I have been working in the phase 4, I use the image that which generate to the Docker Hub, and pushed used for the continuous deployment using, in this case, one cluster in Kubernetes. I configure for this last stage one a Jenkins file that they clone the repo in this case, wait for one approval. In this case, is a site reliability engineer, and then deploy to the cluster. In this case, we tune up inside the deployments the new image that we are to use for the deployment. The idea is use especially the short commit or something like that you can choose from the Jenkins. But in my case, I use for now manually try to configure the new image to deploy this case and redeploy using the job in this case. Let me choose here via here. Okay, wait for this. I put the approval myself in this case to deploy as the one service. Let me see the cluster in this case. Okay. The replica with a new image. Choose another replica. Oh, yeah. I don't upload the change to the repo, the deployment to trigger Okay. Let me see the master access, no, master feature to web portal. Okay, let me see if something is not working. The last stage. Deployment one.